Hey everybody, Michael Mass here, and happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes, it's like 5 weeks early and we're gonna celebrate Thanksgiving today at my house, and I'll tell you why here in a second, but I am home. Oklahoma, it's fall. It's fall in Oklahoma. It's like 60 degrees out. This is something we don't get in Florida, so I'm gonna enjoy it for the next several weeks as I'm here doing a bunch of things. And I think I'm gonna try to do some like where is Michael from like videos, like this is my hometown or this is where I grew up and stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, please just let me know down in the comments, because I would love to like share maybe a little bit more behind the person that is me in the upcoming weeks. And yeah, so here's the deal. I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you about 12 hours ago when I was cooking, and then I'll come back out here in just moments and we'll talk about why we're doing Thanksgiving in October. So that was pumpkin muffins, jalapeno cheddar bacon muffins, and the broccoli casserole, which was getting prepared last night and got thrown in the oven this morning. But now you're saying why? Why are we doing Thanksgiving in the middle of October, Michael? Well, here's the deal. My mom felt that I haven't had a proper Thanksgiving in 2 years. I haven't been home for Thanksgiving in 2 years. So she really wanted to celebrate Thanksgiving with her eldest son. And so who am I to say no? And so we're gonna have everybody come over today. We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna give some hugs, show some love and all that good stuff. So let's go inside and get something to eat. I think we have changed the name to Happy Hallowgiving Dinner. So this is what I made last night. That's that broccoli casserole. We have yams. We have stuffing or dressing. We have baked beans, mashed potatoes, noodles. We got the ham. There's a turkey there. Cream corn, deviled eggs. Let me know down in the comments if your family has anything special that they have to have during a Thanksgiving dinner or a Christmas dinner, that y'all always make certain things regardless. As here, I always make this. My sister always makes this, and my dad always has to have this. Before we get to eating, let's go ahead and talk about this tablecloth. This is my mom's nifty novel idea from a couple years ago. I don't know what I think of it really, but I guess it's a tradition that is definitely taken off here in this household, and that's putting your hand on a table, tracing it, putting your name, and then what you're thankful for. So far this has been going on for 2 years. Obviously I haven't been home for 2 years, so this is the first time that my hand will appear on this tablecloth. What do you think? Do you have any family traditions similar to this, or that you do every year for Thanksgiving or maybe even Christmas? I want to thank everybody for coming along for Thanksgiving at my place this year. Like I said, 5 weeks early, but I think you got to look at Thanksgiving as just more of an arbitrary date on a calendar, because I think we should be thankful for stuff every day. I think we should be thankful for breathing, for our loved ones, for just everything that we have. Like if you need to wake up every morning and say you're thankful for something, because nothing is given, nothing is guaranteed, and I'm sure there's something that you have or I have that someone else needs or wants. Wants maybe not so matter so much, but even needs, whether it be food or whether it be love or family or anything like that. I think there's plenty of that out there that people need and they're probably not getting. So I'm sure we all have something to be thankful for. Let me know what you have to be thankful for down in the comments. I think that's gonna be it. I'm glad you came along for my Thanksgiving, even though it was like 5 weeks earlier. And I have a very special, from my heart and from my family to yours. I want to let my whole family wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I hope you enjoyed that as I did. I've had great fun today. I want to thank my mom for going ahead and doing like a pop-up surprise Thanksgiving, Hallowgiving. Thanks Hallowgiving. I think that's what we had today. Something like that. But I want to thank my mom because obviously it wouldn't have happened without her. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if this is your first time here, boom, right there, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you. Actually, happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. And thank you for your time. Here's to life.